Hello everyone, this is lecture number 2. Today we are going to start with nutrition and its subtypes. First, nutrition is the process where an entity takes food and utilizes it for energy. Nutrients are the substances which provide nutrition. We get nutrients from different kinds of stuff. Now mode of nutrition varies from one species to another, like unicellular having other kind of nutrition and multicellular is having different kind of nutrition. Here we have two types of nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition and another is heterotrophic nutrition. First, what is autotrophic nutrition? As they synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Here is the pictorial representation. Sun rays falls on the leaves. They trap energy in presence of CO2 and what they make glucose. That is the energy for this plant. So they release O2 which is useful for human beings and all living beings. Plants are autotrophs. They have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. They perform photosynthesis to prepare their own food. Animals are grouped in heterotrophic mode of nutrition as they depend on plants for food. And here what autotroph is, only they make their own. Autotrophic nutrition, first subtype is photosynthetic autotrophic nutrition. Photo means light. They obtain food from sunlight. Example in this is green plants, blue-green algae, cyanobacteria. Green plants are having chlorophyll. They do photosynthesis to form food. Their food is in the form of glucose. And now another autotrophic nutrition subtype is chemosynthetic autotrophic nutrition. That is using chemicals. Few bacteria use chemicals to derive energy and are called chemoautotrophs. Like we have sulfur bacteria, they are using, they mainly uses chemical energy to make food. Autotrophic nutrition, first subtype is. Now we have heterotrophic nutrition. In heterotrophic nutrition, it's a mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for their food requirements. In this we have holozoic mode of nutrition, saprophytic mode of nutrition, saprotrophic mode of nutrition, parasite. Now we have first holozoic nutrition. It's that nutrition that occurs in the organisms that intake solid or liquid food inside their body. Like it involves number of steps like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and ingestion. What's ingestion? Is the process taking food. Digestion is the process in which the ingested food is digested. After digestion, then it occurs absorption. In this process, cells use the energy from the digested food. Then we have assimilation. Energy obtained from the digested food is used by all the cells, and addition is the waste products are excreted out of the body. Now, in the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we studied holozoic, and holozoic it's having subtypes: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Like herbivores are those animals that acquire their food using holozoic nutrition. Like herbivores or the animals, they derive their food from plants. The primary source of nutrition in these animals is based on plants and trees. Example like cow, buffaloes, deer, and elephants are herbivores. In carnivores, they feed on other animals for their food, like tigers, leopards, lions. And in omnivores, these animals can survive on either plants or animals for their food. Now it's saprotrophic nutrition. That are those animals which feed on dead and decaying matter. It includes various kinds of bacteria, fungi, which digest the food externally before the nutrients are absorbed. In this list, Examples are given here. It's yeast, bread molds, mushrooms. These are all in saprotrophic mode of nutrition.